Hello friends, today I am going to review the movie Spider-Man No Way Home. It is an action, adventure and sci-fi movie. It has received 4.5 star rating. The cast is Tom Holland as Spider-Man, Benedict Cumberbatch as Doctor Strange, Zendaya. Now director of the movie is John Watts. Duration of the movie is 2 hours and 28 minutes, which is generally more than a average English movie duration. The language, primary language is English, but it has been dubbed in other languages all around the world. A rating has been given U by A, that is underage to adults. Now the whole movie revolves around the plot. The world has discovered that Peter Parker, played by Tom Holland, is Spider-Man, and he approaches Doctor Strange, who has been played by Benedict Cumberbatch, to fix the problem. While going back to 2019 movie Far From Home, in which the life of Peter Parker was changed drastically, the movie No Way Home shows the audience why Peter's secret is crucial to him, but to his friends and loved ones also. Peter goes to Doctor Strange to fix the things the way they were before his secret was revealed. But as Doctor Strange uses powers to make people forget Spider-Man, a lot of problems happen and the plot of the multiverse is revealed. The movie No Way Home uses stunning visuals, stroke special effects to create the story. The Spider-Man involves himself in some of the great action sequences as well as shows his emotional side also. The director John Watts has used the movie sets and special effects to focus on fight, action and lighter movements in a balanced manner. As for the situation in the movie, making a movie over 2 hours runtime, some parts of the movie seems exaggerated to some extent, but they will be worth watching. The credit can be given to the cast, old as well as new alike. The Otto Octavius and Norman Osborn are actively hostile to Spider-Man in all movies, but somewhere they show their soft side also. The bold and ambitious screenplay also redeems Electro. However, Peter Parker faces his biggest and darkest challenges in this film, and the Tom Holland has fully embraced it magnificently. Tom Holland elevates the rest of the cast while managing to stand out on his own as Spider-Man. The film is easy to follow independently. However, knowledge of the previous Spider-Man films will definitely enrich the experience. No Way Home has undoubtedly proved to be most crowd-pleasing Spider-Man film of all time. And once again, Spider-Man has proved himself as most loving superhero in all age groups. The movie has already crossed over 100 crores within 3 days of release in India and is performing amazingly well to give great box office collections in other parts of the world also. With this, I am finished. Please subscribe and like my channel.